Welcome back my YouTube channel. The Lincoln Wheat Penny is one of the most iconic and beloved coins ever produced in the United States, and today we are going to explore why this small copper coin, worth just 1 cent when it was struck, can be valued at $1,000 in the world of collectors. This fascinating journey through history, design, rarity, and collectible value will keep you connected until the end, because what looks like just a simple penny in your pocket might actually be a hidden treasure. The story begins in 1909. When the U.S. Mint introduced the Lincoln cent to replace the Indian head penny. This change was more than just about coinage, it was a way of honoring President Abraham Lincoln on the 100th anniversary of his birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the coin featured Lincoln's profile on the obverse, making it the first regular issue American coin to feature a real person rather than a symbolic image. On the reverse, two simple wheat stalks were placed, surrounding the words, 1 cent, and United States of America. This is how the wheat penny got its name. From the very beginning, collectors were fascinated by this new design, and the coin became an instant part of American history. The wheat penny was produced from 1909 all the way until 1958, before it was replaced by the Lincoln Memorial Cent in 1959. Over those years, millions upon millions were minted, but not all pennies are created equal. Certain mint years, errors, and variations make some wheat pennies incredibly valuable, sometimes turning a coin found in old jars or passed down through generations into a rare collectible worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. So, what makes a single wheat penny worth $1,000 today? The answer lies in rarity, condition, and demand. Collectors always look for coins that are hard to find, especially those with low mintages, mistakes, or special markings. For example, pennies with the 1909 SVDB marking are legendary. Only a small number were made before the initials of the designer were removed, and these can fetch huge sums at auction. Similarly, the 1914 D wheat penny is another rarity that collectors chase. But even more common dates can reach the $1,000 mark when they are preserved in exceptional condition. A coin graded as mint state by professional services can appear almost brand new, even after decades, and this condition adds tremendous value. Imagine holding a tiny coin that people once used to buy candy, newspapers, or even household goods, and realizing that today that same coin is treasured by collectors around the world for $1,000 or more. That is the magic of numismatics, the study and collection of coins. It's not just about the metal, it's about history frozen in time. Each wheat penny tells a story, not only about Abraham Lincoln but also about the American people who carried it through the Great Depression, 2 World Wars, and countless everyday moments of life. Many people might wonder if they could have one of these valuable wheat pennies sitting in their home right now. The truth is, it's entirely possible. Old jars, boxes, and collections often hide coins that have been forgotten for decades. Searching through them can be exciting because the potential discovery of a rare penny could lead to a major surprise. Even circulated wheat pennies, those that have seen years of use, can sometimes be worth far more than face value, and collectors love to add them to their sets. The coin's design itself adds to its charm. Lincoln's bust is simple yet powerful, capturing the strength and dignity of the 16th president. The wheat ears on the reverse symbolize growth, prosperity, and a connection to America's agricultural heritage. Over time, coins naturally wear down, and many wheat pennies today are well circulated and show their age. That's why coins in pristine condition stand out so much. They are like time capsules that take us back to the very moment they left the mint. Now, why does this matter to collectors and viewers like you? Because stories like these are not just about coins, they are about connections. When you learn about a penny that is worth $1,000, you are not just hearing about money, you are hearing about history, rarity, and the thrill of discovery. Collecting coins is about passion. It is about the excitement of searching, the satisfaction of finding, and the joy of holding a piece of history in your hands. That's what makes the wheat penny so important.